Hey, welcome back to Bahasa Little Project. Selamat datang kembali di Bahasa Little Project. So yeah, in this lesson, we will be learning something fun because we will be learning conversational for Bahasa Indonesia for New Year. Okay, so if you have been following us, we have done lessons about Bahasa Indonesia that you can use during Christmas. We have two lessons for Christmas, right? We have the basic lesson and also we have advanced lesson for Christmas. Now we will be doing something similar to celebrate New Year. Okay, so this is the basic lesson in which we will be learning simple phrases, okay, vocabularies that are related to New Year. Okay, so let's go. Number one, we will be learning greetings. Selamat Tahun Baru. Okay, I think we discussed this in the previous lesson when we talk about Christmas, but let's repeat it again for those of you who are new to this video. Okay, so Selamat Tahun Baru. Again, selamat means congratulations, tahun means year, and baru means new. So essentially what you are saying in English is congratulations, okay, year new. Okay, congratulations, year new. But of course, a better translation would be Happy New Year. Okay, so Selamat Tahun Baru. Happy New Year. Okay, Selamat Tahun Baru. Selamat Tahun Baru. That would be the natural speed and intonation. Selamat Tahun Baru. Okay, number two, we have apa kabar? Okay, this is also something that we have learned multiple times. Apa kabar? Essentially, the literal translation, but it means how are you in English. Okay, apa kabar? How are you? Now this is a new phrase that we learn in this series. So selamat berlibur. Berlibur is having holiday. So selamat berlibur literally means congratulations for your holiday. But of course, a better translation would be happy holidays. Selamat berlibur, happy holidays. And talking about holidays, we also have something great for you. Okay, we have our 50% off. Okay, if you buy our complete Bahasa course level 1 to 10, okay, by the end of this year. So if you buy the whole program by the end of this year, you will be able to get 50% discount. So go now to bahasalittleproject.com to learn more about it. Okay, and talking about our website, you can also get the PDF of this lesson for free on our website, bahasalittleproject.com. So yeah, go there if you want a PDF of this lesson. Now let's continue. New Year vocabulary. Tahun Baru, New Year, right? We have discussed about this Tahun Baru. And then we have Pesta Kembang Api. Pesta is party, Kembang Api is fireworks. So Pesta Kembang Api, fireworks party. But if for those of you, by the way, if you are listening to this on Spotify, you probably want to go to YouTube to check out the spelling, right? To read the things. Okay, resolution. So you maybe have your New Year's resolution. So resolution is resolusi. Okay, and then we have pesta malam tahun baru. Pesta malam is like night's party, right? Because pesta is party and malam is tahun baru. Then you will have New Year's Eve party. New Year's Eve party, right? Pesta malam tahun baru. Next we have menyambut tahun baru. Menyambut is to welcome or welcoming. So menyambut tahun baru is welcoming the new year. Next we have perayaan. Perayaan is celebration. Perayaan. 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 Countdown is countdown. So this is a loan word obviously from English and we even pronounce it just like in English. So it's a countdown. Countdown. We do have like the translation in bahasa like hitung mundur. Hitung is to count, mundur is to go backward, so you count backward. Hitung mundur. Let me just write this down here so you know what I'm talking about. So hitung mundur. Okay, but again, because countdown is very popular, so most people would just simply say countdown. But you can also say hitung mundur. Excuse me. Now let's move on to Apa resolusi tahun baru kamu? What is your New Year's resolution? You can use this probably to ask your friends or your loved ones, right? Apa resolusi tahun baru kamu? What is your New Year's resolution? Saya berharap tahun ini lebih baik dari tahun lalu. Saya berharap, saya berharap tahun ini lebih baik dari tahun lalu. I hope this year is better than last year. So obviously we are not going to discuss the grammar, okay, of the sentences. If you want to learn more, you should join our complete bahasa course level 1 to 10. And by the way, we have level 1 available for free on YouTube. So if you are interested, you can go there. But again, saya berharap tahun ini lebih baik dari tahun lalu. Now next, bagaimana kamu merayakan malam tahun baru biasanya? Bagaimana kamu merayakan malam tahun baru biasanya? Okay, normal speed. Bagaimana kamu merayakan malam tahun baru biasanya? How do you usually celebrate New Year's Eve? Okay, and then we have mari kita sambut tahun baru bersama-sama. Mari kita sambut tahun baru bersama-sama. Let's welcome the new year together. Apakah kamu suka menonton pesta kembang api? Apakah kamu suka menonton pesta kembang api? Apakah kamu suka menonton pesta kembang api? So if you don't know how to create these basic simple sentences, you should check out the free level 1 on YouTube. You will learn exactly to do basic things with your grammar in Bahasa Indonesia, okay? And last but not least, we have saya berencana untuk merayakan di tempat baru tahun ini. Saya berencana, I plan, untuk merayakan di tempat baru tahun ini. I plan to celebrate in a new place this year. So yeah, now we have some activities that are related to New Year. So number 1, menyusun resolusi tahun baru. Menyusun is to set. Menyusun resolusi tahun baru, setting New Year's resolutions. Menyambut tahun baru dengan pesta atau pertemuan bersama teman-teman. Welcoming the New Year with a party or gathering with friends. Menonton pesta kembang api, watching fireworks. Okay, melakukan kegiatan amal untuk menyambut tahun baru. Engaging in charitable activities to welcome the new year. Melakukan kegiatan amal untuk menyambut tahun baru. Engaging in charitable activities to welcome the new year. And last but not least, we have vocabulary practice. This is something that you can do. So number 1 is buatlah kalimat tentang resolusi tahun baru kamu. If you don't understand what it means try to create sentences with regard to your resolution for the new year in Bahasa Indonesia. Okay, you can also try to create sentences about New Year's. Oh, this is the translation. Oh, actually, we are providing you with the translation. So let me do this so it is now clearer for you. Number 2 that you can do is ceritakan bagaimana kamu merayakan malam tahun baru tahun lalu. Tell how you celebrated New Year's Eve last year. And the last thing that you probably want to do in Bahasa Indonesia is sebutkan 3 kata yang terkait dengan tahun baru dalam Bahasa Indonesia. Sebutkan 3 kata yang terkait dengan tahun baru dalam Bahasa Indonesia. Mention 3 words related to New Year in Bahasa Indonesia. So yeah, there you go. You can practice those. Again, if you want this PDF, the PDF of this lesson, you can go to our website at bahasalittleproject.com to download it for free. But if you want step-by-step methodology to learn Bahasa Indonesia that has helped thousands of students, you want to get our special deal before the end of this year, in which you will get 50% discount, okay, to buy and to get the complete Bahasa course level 1 to 10. So yeah, I hope this is useful for you, and I hope to see you soon in the next lesson. Terima kasih.